Hi there, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys my quad focus leg routine. This one is a must and it's a killer. So as per usual, I'm starting off with dynamic stretches and warm up. So I always do dynamic stretches at the beginning of all my workouts, regardless whether it's legs or upper body, doesn't matter, because dynamic stretches help with joint and muscle mobility and also helps prevent injuries. And as you guys, some of you might already know, I did suffer from a back injury and I'm not trying to do that again. I also warm up my back by doing cat and cow poses as well as Superman's. Whenever I am doing upper body and I know I'll be lifting like really heavy, I make sure that I warm up my back nicely, because if I start without warming up my lower back, it will like feel weird and stiff. So I make sure that I give it the proper care it deserves and it needs before I start. Never underestimate an empty bar. So I always start deadlifting or any exercise I am doing with a really low weight or just an empty bar, and do a few reps to see if my body is fully warmed up, because sometimes I think I'm like nicely warmed up and then I start and then I get like a weird pain on my leg or my lower back or my arms or something. So always start off with a warm-up set and then do your workout sets after your working set after your warm-up set. Look at this. So I load up the bar, I grab the clip, put on the clip, and the clip doesn't want to go in. The clip was not cooperating with me. It was embarrassing. And at the end, I had to look around to see if anybody saw me, because me struggling with the clip. Look at that. Look at that. This is my first working set. As you can see, I have a mixed grip. I don't usually do this. I usually start with an overhand grip. However, my calluses were really tender and my hands were burning. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it was like really hard. So I decided to use my strap instead, and it was still giving me the same issue. But yeah, this is like the overhand, like look at the hand. Like this is what I usually start with, because I'm really working on my grip. You have to work on your grip, guys. Don't just do everything overhand. Even using the strap, I still had the same issue. I even put on some lifting chalk to help alleviate the pain. However, it was still the same. I felt like my hands were being torn apart. So I really couldn't max out because it was so hard for me to hold the bar. So I just did this set, and then I turned off the camera and did an extra set just to make up for just not being able to max out. After deadlift, I never move on to major compound movement like squat or leg press. I always make sure to give my back a little bit of time to breathe. So I move on to leg extension. This will help isolate my quads and give me like the nicest pump when I move on to squatting. And also I realize that when I do leg extension at the beginning of my leg workout instead of at the end, I can lift a little bit heavier when I do squat.
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I get that check right. Look, off of that side, wave, look, ayy, I don't do no fake love. Tell little bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. I'm that maze runner. I been on the stay stunned. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021 about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's a well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, I'm about to profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, can top in the backseat. Duck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. It's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe.
This clip is not the best clip. I'm sorry guys, I am a one-woman show and I go to a public gym, and it was like 10 o'clock in the morning, so of course there was gonna be a good amount of people there. So anyway, what I'm doing here, I'm just using the Smith machine to work my calves. I train my calf twice a week, and I know they're not gonna grow, but I still do them. I feel like this one is more effective for me instead of like the other machines.
We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't really tell if they about the things they saying or they say it just to sell. Ain't worry about no bill. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so fuck a hype beast. Last year wasn't it, but now my life been moving light speed. I was down bad, but now we way up where them kites be. Flip that to a movie, I star in, same time I'm Spike Lee. I know they tight, I turn my life into they pipe dream. She say she wanna sightsee, let's start with what the night brings. Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired.
You know when you finish a set and then you start questioning your whole life choices? That was me right there. That was me. I actually couldn't see anything. I thought I was gonna pass out, but I just pretended like everything was okay. I was okay, but I was not.
Enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know niggas. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, see this gold on me. Serve up, nigga. The world been dying, days is number. Check the climate, I'm sick of it. Fuck the harebrained scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with a serene scene and I whip this quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star, bitch. I'm raising a bar like they really pay me to talk. My life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't know? This shit not just for the show, but bet you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked. The master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mud and told my truth. I shake that fake shit, they praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Oh, this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating, the talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claimed belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that shit not harming us. Capping your status, we back, ain't nobody bras us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex. With loot they pay to play my shit back. Ain't no way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to support me, and I will be back with more next week. Bye.
Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know nigga.